Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Range Rover Sport. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 5-liter V8 Supercharger pushing out 516 horsepower and 461 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A vintage tan leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear climate controls. Rear heated seats. Back we've got the Sport Supercharged Range Rover badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, Meridian sound system, wood trim, power seats, steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, heads-up display, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, heated and cooled seats, climate controls, automatic transmission. This Range Rover Sport has 26,753 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Range Rover Sport, check out feldmannimports.com.